right. Building a dream home, huh? It sounds daunting. But with the right steps, it can be, well, a dream.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of folks don't realize that it can actually be smoother and sometimes even more cost-effective to build a custom home than to buy an existing one.
Really? I guess when you think about it, you're getting exactly what you want.
Exactly. And when it comes to custom homes, you can't go wrong with a builder like GJ Gardner, especially here in Sacramento. They're with you every step of the way, making sure the whole process is smooth and enjoyable.
Oh, so they handle, like, everything.
Pretty much, from finding the perfect piece of land to handing you the keys to your brand new home.
Wow. So where do we even begin with this whole process? What's step one?
Well, even before you start thinking about land, you've got to get your financing in order right.
Right.
That's where a construction loan expert like Aaron Milik from Waterstone Mortgage comes in. He can guide you through the whole process, which is a little different from a traditional mortgage. Getting pre-approved is crucial, especially before you start looking for land.
Okay, so financing first. Got it. Then what? We start house hunting? Land hunting?
Land hunting it is. And let me tell you, finding that perfect piece of land is more than just falling in love with the view.
Yeah, I bet there's a lot to consider.
Absolutely. The size of the lot dictates how big your house can be, the style that will fit best, where the sunlight hits, even those stunning views. But hold on, there's more. You've got to think about zoning regulations, utility hookups, even the soil conditions.
Whoa, soil conditions, that didn't cross my mind.
It's important. All of these can impact your building costs, but luckily, that's where GJ Gardner comes in. Their expertise helps you navigate all those potential pitfalls early on.
So they're kind of like our guides through this whole jungle of home.
You got it. Now, once you've nailed down your financing and found your perfect piece of land, comes the really fun part, designing your home. I bet you've already got some ideas swirling around.
Oh, I've got Pinterest boards for days, so how does that work with GJ Gardner?
They've got a whole library of floor plans to get those creative juices flowing. And the best part, they're super flexible.
Flexible how?
They can customize those plans to match your vision perfectly. Let's say you've always dreamed of a chef's kitchen with a massive island, or maybe a luxurious master suite with a spa-like bathroom. They can make it happen.
Okay, stop. You're speaking my language now. So let's say we've got our dream floor plan. What happens next?
Well, once the design is finalized, the GJ Gardner team takes over. They handle everything from there, from permits to construction, all using top-notch contractors and high-quality materials.
So no cutting corners.
Absolutely not. They make sure your home is built to last. And that's where that peace of mind comes in. Having a reputable builder like GJ Gardner, with all their experience and expertise, means they're ready to handle any hiccups that might pop up during construction.
Because let's face it, there are always hiccups, right?
Well, there can be. But with a team like GJ Gardner, you can relax knowing they've got it covered.
Okay, so we've covered finding the perfect land, getting the right financing, designing our dream home, and having GJ Gardner manage the whole construction process. That sounds